私の子供は毎日ビデオゲームをしてばかりで勉強しない。Hi my friends, today we are going to learn about a grammar point related to JLPT N3 and that is Bakari. First, we will see how to use Bakari. We can use Bakari with the noun. Game Bakari, that means only games. And also we can use this Bakari with the verb as well. But first we should convert the verb into the te form. For an example, yomimasu. Yomimasu is the verb and we should convert it to te form. And when we convert yomimasu into te form, it becomes yonde. Then we add Bakari to it. Then it becomes yonde Bakari. So, what does Bakari means? When are we going to use it? We use Bakari when you want to express criticism of only doing something. We use this negatively, in a negative state. For more explanation, we will look at some examples. あの店は混んでいて待ってばかりだった。According to this example, the store was crowded and she indicates the criticism of waiting in the store. Now we will look at the second example. 彼女は電話ばかりしていて他のことをしない。According to this example, the person shows his objection to the girl that who is always using the phone and doing nothing. I hope now you can understand what is Bakari, how to use it. So now let's have a quiz.